गोपालिया शॉर्ट एंड क्लासेस की डेली द न्यूज़पेपर डिक्टेशन सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। मेरे इस चैनल पर डॉक्टर जीडी बिस्ट की 4 वॉल्यूम की डिक्टेशन उपलब्ध है। स्पीडोग्राफी की वॉल्यूम 1 और वॉल्यूम 2, मॉडल स्पीड डिक्टेशन वॉल्यूम 3 और लीगल डिक्टेशन वॉल्यूम 4 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट और 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड से उपलब्ध है। इनकी प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अवेलेबल है। ये डिक्टेशन एसएससी, डीएसएसबी, आरएसएम एसएसबी, हाई कोर्ट्स और सेशन कोर्ट्स में स्टेनोग्राफर और जूनियर पर्सनल असिस्टेंट के शॉर्ट एंड स्किल टेस्ट के लिए बहुत उपयोगी है। नई आउटलाइंस के लिए फॉलो करें फेसबुक पेज गोपालिया स्टेनो क्लासेस जयपुर और डिक्टेशंस के ऑडियो फाइल्स के लिए ज्वाइन करें टेलीग्राम चैनल, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नीचे अवेलेबल है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का 80 शब्द प्रति मिनट की गति से द हिंदू का एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन। The Indian Express newspaper dictation, total words 500, speed 80 word per minute, start. Seen against the scale of economic distress and expectations raised by the Prime Minister's announcement of a rupees 20 lakh crore package, the measures announced by the finance minister over the past few days have been underwhelming, to say the least. As things stand, the actual and immediate fiscal outgo work out to just around 1% of GDP, a pittance to all alleviate the distress unfolding across the country. A crisis of this magnitude needs to be tackled at multiple levels. Relief for the most vulnerable, support to specific sectors, short to medium term measures to boost demand, and structural reforms. But so far, the government's response has centered around only providing some relief measures, extending liquidity to select sectors, and stating its intent to push through contentious pieces of reform. Direct demand side support has been minimal. This signals a disappointing under appreciation of the risk to the economy. Para. The measure to alleviate the suffering of the vulnerable are too little and in many cases too late. Expanding the provision of food grain through the public distribution system is welcome, but the delay in pushing through the portability of benefits is not. By the government's own admission, this process will take months. Perhaps a better alternative would be to universalize the PDS. Cash transfers of rupees 500 are simply inadequate to tide over this period of crisis. The JAM Trinity could have also been utilized more effectively and more imaginatively to provide short-term income support. And while increasing allocation to Manrega is the right step, the number of days of work provided should also have been increased. Announcements aimed to alleviating the pain in other parts of the economy have been too few, comprise largely to contingent liabilities, entail very little actual fiscal outgo. While government finances are constrained, adherence to fiscal conservatism at a time when governments across the world, even those ideologically committed to conservatism are loosening their purse strings is a letdown, considering that of the 4 engines of growth, only government spending can derive economic activity as this stage. This was the time to ramp up spending. On the question of reforms, the announcement so far mostly spell out the government's intent. Surely, for issues that have been on the policy agenda for years, the details of what is being done and how should have been worked out by now. All this only suggests that the 50-day lockdown period has not been effectively used by the government to firm up its plan. Para. As this health crisis is likely to play out over the coming months, there is an argument for the government to keep the power dry for the unknowns that may yet come. But on the other hand, the longer the delays in dealing with the problems, the more severe will be the consequences and greater the intervention needed. This pandemic has led to both demand and supply side shocks. Given the scale of disruption, for greater policy support is required than has been visible over the last 5 days. Stop. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।